Comes the moment of truth. Today in this video, I will teach you how to make money with Cheelee App. From the day my friend introduced me to Cheelee App, the whole story changed. I switched off completely from other video platforms because with Cheelee App, monetization becomes easy. Watching video at the same time, making money. How about that? If you are from Nigeria, congratulations, because payment and withdrawal are super easy with Cheelee App. This app is designed friendly to Nigerians because you can make payment with Naira and also withdraw via Naira. Sound interesting, right? And the link to download this amazing app is right in the video description, or check the first comment under this video to grab your link to download this amazing app.